The things you cherish and the people you love are right behind this door. That's why protection starts here. And Arlo has you covered with our first video doorbell. See the important moments outside your door, from head to toe. Receive alerts when they matter, so you can know before they knock. And clearly hear guests like you're there, with a doorbell that calls your phone directly, so you can answer from anywhere. It's built to handle everything that steps up to your front door, so you can protect everyone who matters on the other side.
Hey, is Rachel home?
Sorry, wrong house.
Hey, get out of here.
Dad, we're locked down.
Oh, one sec.
Thanks, Dad.
Amcrest is proud to introduce the new 1080p Wi-Fi video doorbell that is built with the same high-quality components and amazing image quality that all of our customers have come to love and trust. This Wi-Fi doorbell provides magnificent high-definition video resolution and boasts a super-wide 140-degree viewing angle, up to 16 feet night vision with infrared motion detection, as well as two-way talk communication, motion alert notifications, and mobile viewing, all visible directly from your smartphone device using the Amcrest Smart Home app. The Amcrest Video Doorbell is designed to provide added security, as well as peace of mind, and connect you with what matters most from anywhere.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Yeah, of course. One moment.
Hi. You have a package.
Please leave the package at the door. Hey, hello.
I'll be waiting here.
Wait for me. Wait for a moment.